Hello guys, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel DIY Paper Art. Before we start the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Today let's learn to make a windmill. Take a square paper, fold it along the horizontal and verticals. And then fold along the diagonals as shown. Now take this side and fold it towards the middle. And fold the other side to the middle. Now turn back and bring this side towards the middle. Do the same for the other side. Now bring this corner above in this way. Do the same for all the four sides. These folds will automatically unveil themselves as you have folded before. Now turn it this side and fold them. Now bring this corner to half and bring this corner to half so that it makes a sort of boat on the paper. Similarly, bring this side this way and also bring this side in this way. Now fold this part above and fold this part this side. So your windmill is now ready. Now let's test the windmill. Similarly, I have prepared another windmill. Now let's try to use this windmill. Attach a pin. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.